Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J. Well, we have our next guest here. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Fantastic. How are you?
Doing great. Doing great.
Go ahead and introduce yourself for us.
My name is Jared. I'm with j5create. We do a lot of computer peripherals, computer accessories, perfect for the work from home environment that we're sort of all kind of starting to embrace.
Yeah, for sure. And I can tell you from where I'm sitting, I am looking at least one J5 product here in the studio, and
Perfect.
And a bright orange bag with your logo on it to my left. So
yeah, I think we've done business before.
Indeed.
Or had conversations before, for sure.
Yeah, there was an event that Gina held last year that we met at.
Oh, perfect. Nice.
Which is where both that cable and the orange bag came from.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I know that your company has, a wide variety of things. We've got a USB-C cable. That's the thing that I'm looking at right now, bright red, which I love, by the way.
Right.
But it's more than just cables. You guys have a wide variety of things, right?
Yes, we do. As of late, sort of the big focus that we've our initiative has been webcams. Webcams have been a huge market of success for us. We have everything from just a standard entry-level webcam to 4K high definition webcams. We also have conference room webcams. One of the ones that I actually have right here in front of me is our 360 conference room cam. The 360 conference room cam. I got to put it up in the camera. Hey, let me help. Actually offers a fuller range, 6 different modes of viewing. Actually allows for 2 different versions as well in the 6 different modes. You can use it as a conference room cam for viewing the whole entire audience that's in the conference room cam, or in the conference room, I should say.
Sure.
As well as it doubles as a standard webcam as well. It offers 180 degree as well as a 90 degree focus just as a webcam. It actually has a touch bar sensor on the top, so you can change the different modes in each one of the 6 different versions. Has an omnidirectional microphone, so which I think the range for the microphone is up to 10 feet of radius. So it grabs everybody that's in the room. Let's see, a couple different features of the 6 different modes that are offered besides the 2 webcam versions. You have a panoramic version, so it's like all around the conference room. You also have dual host mode. So if you have 2 people that are in there in your conference room that are acting as the host for the conference, the lenses will actually focus on those 2 individuals solely. You can also switch it up to where it can actually take on 2 different versions of the room. So it offers a magnitude of different connections. Also it allows for Type A and Type C connectivity.
Nice. Okay, so what I'm hearing, I know you said conference room, but what I'm hearing is if we were to put this on a big stick at the top of our normal broadcast tower at the Sands, we could have a 360 broadcast of the show floor, which is something that we have talked about many times. Oh,
no doubt. Definitely. I think this guy could definitely help you out. It actually has its own little tripod that, comes with it for extending. But it also has the removable connection as well.
Cool. That's something that our executive producer Michelle has been wanting to do for a couple of years, and now that we've got the actual towers to be on at the Sands, we have that capability, and we want to do it for 2022. So
yeah, we'll all be there, right?
Fingers crossed.
All right. I know it's very strange to not be in Los Angeles. I mean, everybody talks about, at this time we should be, this is where we should be on this day, and this is what we should be doing. So
Yep,
it's strange because everybody does miss it.
for sure. Well, so obviously there's a lot of possible uses for that. We can see it. I can see it for use in our studio, in conference rooms. I really like the dual focus with the double presenter mode. That's a cool capability that I don't think I've ever heard mentioned from anybody else before.
Yeah.
Oh, in our in our staff chat, we just mentioned that it would be good for our robotics convention, our robotics event that we do in October.
Oh, sweet. We'll have to get you guys set up with one to definitely check it out.
All right. Yeah, we'll talk after the show for sure. So what else have we got going on this year? Because
Um,
I know you guys always have interesting stuff happening.
Yeah, some of the other things that we do, the video capture card is another thing that we've been able to focus on and push out to the masses as well. Once again, for those folks that are doing live broadcasts from home, podcasts, weddings, all these different events, well, maybe not weddings, but if you're doing different events from home or even in the field, this JVAO6 allows you that ability to do that. It offers, dual HDMI inputs. You have two different sources, whether it be two camera systems, whether a still cam and a webcam. You can also connect in a video mixer into this connector, and allows you to sort of do any adjustments on the fly, do any sort of editing on the fly. It has an ARM um, processor in here, so it allows for CPU offloading very easily.
Nice.
Actually has a power pass through as well. The power pass through is up to 60 watts, so it allows you for whether you're connecting a Type C from your computer system, it'll actually power this device. Also can be powered, from a battery pack as well. It
Okay.
has a host cable, which is a Type C connectivity. The host cable allows you to once again control any sort of effects that you need from the editing software. And then you have HDMI out source. The HDMI out will go to projector, computer monitor, television, what have you. It also has its own audio mixer settings that are in here. So
Wow.
the with all the LED craziness, it's pretty cool. But it's got the individual audio mixers for you, as well as um, the ability to do picture by picture, as well as picture in picture
Okay.
functionality. So if you're doing something, with the dual HDMI and you want to adjust on the fly of what you're seeing, you can change those different images within these features in the JVA06.
And from our staff chat, Michelle has just said, "Wow," all in caps. Uh,
Yeah, this is sort of one of those things that a lot of people that are into streaming, like I said, streaming podcast, the different uh, broadcasts that people are doing from home now. This thing comes into play big time for a lot of people, whether you're in the field or in the office, or you're doing it from home. This thing can kind of help you out and do all these different things. Um, within it, and it's got the cold shoe functionality too. So if you're doing, look,
okay.
I'm covering that up. So if you have it on like a webcam or something like that, you can travel with you.
That's really cool. So, are both of these products available now?
Yes, they're on our website at j5create.com, so you can go there. The JBA06, I think, is 210. The 360 webcam, or the 360 conference room cam, is 120. One thing that I forgot to include with the JBA06, it has a chroma key function as well. So if
Ooh,
you're doing the background green screen functionality, you can actually adjust that within uh, the um, the CPU, the
the
processor that's in
onboard.
here. Yeah,
Okay.
the onboard processor allows you to do the green screen functionality.
That's cool, especially when you're dealing with, say, like a Twitch streamer who's computers already kind of at max with the game, being able to offload something like chroma would be a huge benefit.
Definitely, and being that it has the processor within itself, it kind of like takes a lot of the resources onto the unit as opposed to taking it onto, like you said, the computer system.
That's really cool, and they're both available on your website. The prices, the webcam is surprising on its price on the low side.
Yeah,
I'm
it's and
really
that's a
excited about that.
And that's one of the features that we really like about this is one of the things we were trying to do is going after the conference room market. It just kind of
Mhm.
happened to coincide with the pandemic, but the and in comparison, some of the competitors that they were priced a little bit larger than where we wanted to be. So we pushed it down as low as to kind of make it to where it's more mainstream is what
Yeah.
we were looking for.
Yeah, that's really cool. Well, I really do appreciate you coming on. We always enjoy talking to people from J5. There's always something interesting to talk about
Yeah.
that's new, because you guys are always working on interesting stuff.
Yeah, thank you. Like I said, you can go to our website. We have a multitude of different webcams that are available. We have a 4K webcam that's new and exciting. With it's got 5 times zoom on it. Has a remote control with extra privacy features,
Very
as
cool.
well as pan tilt zoom. On the webcam as well. So. And like I said, j5create.com, you can get all the different things. We have one other thing too, I want to throw out there is we have some Thunderbolt 4 things that are on the forefront that we're trying to push as well.
Cool.
They're down the road, and we're putting them into the works. But everything from docking stations to cables for Thunderbolt 4 as well.
Very cool. And everybody definitely check out the lineup. There's a ton of products available for all kinds of categories. And you can
Yeah.
check those all out on the website, right?
Yes, sir. We're growing by leaps and bounds. It's getting crazy in here.
Very cool. I remember the first time walking by the booth, I couldn't help but stop because you had a Wi-Fi router that looked like it might attack because
Yeah.
it had
The
antennas like all around it. It looked like if you got too close to it, it might like Venus flytrap catch you.
Yeah, the
And so,
JWR 2100. Yeah, that's our wireless casting router.
yeah,
I mean, once again, that's for a conference room setup, but yeah, it's got some evil looks about it, definitely.
yeah, in a
Um,
really fun way. And that's why we stopped the first time, and now we can't stop. So,
Perfect. We appreciate it. Thank you very much.
absolutely, and have a good rest of the show.
You do the same.
Thanks. I hope you enjoyed that interview, and if you did, make sure you check out some of the more than 100 interviews we conducted during the virtual CES 2021 coverage. And of course, subscribe here on YouTube, hit the notification bell to learn when we post new content and when we go live.